Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon representative, and today we're going to talk about the Elastine Botanicals with the Eco Botanic Essence collection. So these are shampoo and conditioners from Avon. So they each actually are infused with revitalizing babassu seed oil, chamomile, flower water, lemon chestnut extract, and pH balanced. Like healthy hair, it helps bring damaged hair back to life, adding dewy moisture for a smooth, natural looking sheen. No parabens, silicone, mineral oil, triclosan, hopefully I'm saying that correctly. So none of those chemicals are in there. So the first one I want to talk about is for dry hair. So if you have dry hair, this is the right product for you, okay? Because this is the cherry blossom and the hyaluronic acid. It moisturizes dry and damaged hair with our hyaluronic acid infused formula. As thirsty strands drink it up. Okay, so this is the Hydrate collection. So it's for moisturize and hydrate. It moisturizes dry and damaged hair. So here is the shampoo, okay, and here is the conditioner. So it's a shampoo and conditioner duo. All right, so here we go. All right, so this is the first one. I like the scent. Cherry blossom is really, really nice. It's a pretty scent. So these go for $4.49 each, okay, if you shop with me, or if you go, and if its regular price normally is $5.39, they are 6.7 ounces each, so they're a pretty good size, okay. All right, you can look at it from my palm, and you look at this, it's like a little bit taller than my palm, okay, so they're a pretty good size. So now the next one, do you want volume in your hair? Okay, so this might be the right product for you. So this product is the rosemary and sea salt. All right, again, volumizing shampoo, volumizing conditioner. Okay, so with rosemary to help promote thicker hair and scalp health, and sea salt to add body. So same sizes, okay, 6.7 ounces, same price, $4.49 each. Really good pricing, guys. You can't go wrong with that. I do love the pricing. $4.49 for each bottle, you know, under $10 for the both of them. I think that's great pricing. So this is for volume, okay. One more item. All right, this is the Avocado and Quinoa. All right, so for anybody who has frizzy hair, this is the right product for you. So with nourishing avocado oil and quinoa seed extract to help protect hair from damage and prevent breakage. Anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner, same size, $4.49 each with me when you go on my website and make that purchase, 6.7 ounces. All right, so here we go. I actually have tried each one of these products, and this happens to be my favorite. My hair tends to get very frizzy. So I actually liked it. I've used it twice already, and I really like it. So it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for dry hair, you go with the cherry blossom. If you want volume, you go with the rosemary and sea salt. Or if you're looking for something for frizzy hair like me, this is the right product. So I actually liked all of these products, and I tried it. I made sure I try them all to see if we know what I like and dislike, but I pretty much like them all generally. You know, sometimes everyone's, you know, hair chemistry is different. The cherry blossom, actually I lost a little bit more hair with it. I know, after I took a shower and washed my hair. So maybe because it was a little bit stronger for me. I guess because of the dry hair component in it and all the ingredients in there. But overall, I did like it. But I actually like this one the best. All right, so you can find these products at AzraBeautyHub.com. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions about becoming an Avon representative, again, you go on my website, 5 minutes to sign up. You don't have to pay anything right now to get started. Virtual, you get free virtual training. It's free website. You can go and connect with me that way. Also, other ways to connect with me are on social media, right here on YouTube. You can comment below anytime, any questions, any comments, any reviews. Be sure to just send me a comment. You can connect with me on TikTok, you can connect with me on Instagram, and you can connect with me on Facebook. All right. Again, until next time, always keep smiling and have a great day.